What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Corey.
And I'm Keisha.
And together we are His and Herbs. And we're just some small time, soon to be big time gardeners growing in the high desert of Southern California. So today, y'all, remember I was telling you guys in that irrigation video about us automating our garden, our homestead, really. So whatever we don't have to do, we don't want to have to do.
Right. We're already a big family, guys. We have 7 kids for those of you guys that don't know. And where we can automate, we really will benefit from it greatly.
Absolutely. So so today we're going to try to automate our chicken feeding and watering, right? Because right now it's something we do every single day. We feed every day, right? Because we didn't, every time I put something in there, like I use, we use these little drinking cups, and I don't know, man, they just be destroying these things, and they stop working. They either leak, and then the entire bucket leaks out, or there's always something that goes wrong with it. And I've fixed them like time and time and time again.
So it's time for something new, guys.
Yeah, it's time to move on to something new. So we don't really have a system until now. We didn't have a system until today. So let me show you what we're doing. We have these feeding cups that we got off of Amazon. Link will be in the description because I think these are going to really serve the purpose.
Are they all the same?
Yeah. Those are the drinking cups. These are the feeding cups, and those are for water.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah. So we got these feeding cups and drinking cups, and we're going to put these in one of these.
These are cute.
One of these 3-gallon buckets, roughly 3-gallon buckets. And that's what we're going to use for taking care of our chickens. That way we can just dump the feed in,
Make sure
put a
they can
lid
see
on
that.
it.
These are the feeding and these are the drinking.
And as you can see, where they're showing the drinking one again, it doesn't have that little yellow nipple in the middle. It works.
So it just fills up?
Yeah, it fills up, and I guess when they go to get the water, when they put the pressure on it, it lifts up and lets the water in, something like that.
Better.
So, yeah, so fewer moving pieces, I guess. So we're gonna put these in this 3-gallon bucket, and we're gonna do the same thing for the water, and we're gonna show you guys how we're doing it and give you our personal opinion on it right now. We know that we have to let them use it and all that good stuff, and then to get an actual honest opinion of it. But once we put it all together, we'll show you how it looks and give you our opinion of like how easy it was to put it all together. So in this kit, it came with this hole saw, 3 and 5, 30 seconds.
32
hole saw or 80 millimeter, and it came with this other bit that just easily just screws inside the middle there. Boom, and then there you go. So that's what we're going to use to drill the hole in the bucket. So it came with that, which is pretty cool. It also came with these watering
battery
cups, like we showed you before, and then it came with these feeding cups and these O-rings, right? So the O-ring goes over the feeding cup, and then it cinches down, and that's to keep, I guess, any water and stuff like that from leaking out. It probably also helps to make sure that the seal stays tight, that the cup stays tight in the bucket. So it came with all these things, everything that you need in order to put this thing together.
It's worked out. Okay, let me make sure it's lined.
All right, guys, so the way that you put this together is you're going to take your rubber gasket, you're going to put that over the piece right there, and you're going to push it all the way down. Yep, that's like that. Then you just stick that inside there. other way.
Oh, you know what?
Turn it so that this part is on the top. There you go, just like that.
And then put it
And
in.
then screw it in. Yep. Dump some rations up in here. And this will help us out because this will help us to figure out how much they actually eat in in a certain time
right.
frame. So that's like half of a 50-pound bag. I'll put it over here. And she figuring
She
it
already
out.
figured it out.
How y'all always get plastic in here?
That's probably Kamara. Y'all, the kids, sometimes we get bags of juice pulp and we give it to the chickens, and sometimes the kids just come and throw the whole bags. Looks like somebody is figuring it out. There you go. There you go.
You see a little skittish.
Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. They got it. We got this side.
We got action.
Wait, babe, they don't really have room on this side to get in.
Just because she just went in from the wrong angle, from the wrong side. I think they like it. So now we're gonna go ahead and put together the one for the water. There you go. All right, so let's see, make sure that that's not big enough. Stick it on in there. Nope, gotta stick it in there first. Yep. And then screw it up there.
Is it backwards?
There you go. Look at it.
All right, I'm all in the shot. I'm not trying to be in. There we go. It's better.
Looks good. Looks good, y'all. We're gonna do it again. So that's how it looks, y'all.
This works.
Really hope it doesn't leak. All right, so we're filling up here.
Wait, so what about when they're not drinking? Does it overflow?
Oh, it weighs it down and it cuts it off. So
it's filling up in here, guys, and I guess it knows when to stop.
all right, y'all. So we got this thing put together, and at first glance, I was kind of confused about how these cups were gonna work, because when the water level got to a certain height, these cups started filling up. So unlike these, when you put these in the bucket, they're gonna stay empty. The way that these work is when the chicken comes and pecks and moves this yellow bopper, we can call it a bopper for now, then the water drains into the cup, right? And it provides water for the chicken. So they have to actually move this to get water. With these are they automatically fill up, and as the cup fills up with water, it gets heavy and it falls down.
It cuts its own
and
self off.
Exactly, it cuts the water off. So that's pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
And so far so good, no leaks. coming from around here.
That's excellent,
I
y'all.
was a little concerned about that because the bit that they gave us is not the same size as the the screw-in piece for the cup. So I was hoping that I didn't make it too big on accident, and I might have done it, made it a little bit bigger, but it seems like the seal is
Pretty good.
doing its job and keeping the water in. So that's pretty cool, y'all. That's pretty good. I like that. So now all we got to do is put a top on this, put it in there with the ladies, and let them have at it. They have their own water, and they're going to be watered automatically and fed automatically. So I told you we're trying to automate this homestead as much as we can. So that's pretty cool. I like it. Just want to get it out the way so that they can have more
Babe,
room.
I hope that doesn't fall over on them.
I've had it like this before.
I want to put it in the corner.
Yeah, I had it right here in the corner.
Let me get over here. Excuse me.
Boom, there you go. Now all you gotta do, fill up that, and we still got all this left in here.
That out too. They figured that out too.
The what? Oh yeah,
The food out too.
It didn't take them long. Didn't take them long at all. I'll probably have to put another one in there because it looked like she gonna just sit there and eat all of it right there. Duck is gone, buddy.
Has it been 2 years?
All right, guys, it's a
Since we had them.
success.
All right, guys. So quick update. It was my bad. At the bottom of the bag, buried under everything, there was the actual bit that would fit so that you could put in the drinking cups.
Wow.
So I didn't know that, but now I know. Now you guys know the bit did come with it, and I forgot to tell you about this cap. The cap is pretty cool because, like, if you want to shut off one side of the bucket, you just put that cap in there like that, and chickens can't get to it, right? So it also comes with this, and I think it came with 6 and 6 of each.
That's pretty cool that it comes with a drill bit.
Yeah,
That's nice.
So it came with everything that you need right here in the one package. So just wanted to let you guys know that because I did not see that at first, but we got it now. So back to you, Keisha. All right, y'all. So that's it.
That's it, y'all.
I'm really pleased with what we've done so far.
Pretty exciting stuff.
Yeah, it's pretty cool the way that they work. The chickens have already figured it out. It didn't take them long. So the moment I put the bucket down, they all saw the water. They knew what it was for. So yeah, I would, as of right now, I would recommend it to anyone. The link will be in the description box if you're interested, if you like it. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased. The cups are already working better than the last cups. So, well, only time will tell. We'll see. We'll let you guys know how everything works out about a week from now. So with that being said, y'all, thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it. Every time you guys watch one of our videos, we definitely appreciate it. If you found value in this video, you guys know what to do. No need for us to say anything about that, right? Got anything you want to say, Keisha?
Oh, I was going to say like and subscribe, but he said we don't need to say that.
I stole the thunder. I'm sorry.
Thanks for watching us, guys. See you guys in the next one.